Bonjour mes chéris. I wanted to explain how accents can sometimes affect the pronunciation and meanings of words. Very briefly, I want to show you the accent aigu, which is on top of this E right here. And what that means is to make the letter E always sound like a long A, as in the word make. Okay? So if you see an E with an accent aigu, it is always a long A sound, and that kind of overrides everything else as far as pronunciation for letter E. Okay. Accent grave goes the other way, and for an E, it can usually make it sound like a short E, as in bed, eh, eh. Okay. For other letters, it won't affect the pronunciation, but only sometimes the spelling and the meaning of a word. For example, a letter A, there is a word that is just spelled with a letter A, and it is the word has. It's pronounced a. If we use the letter A with an accent grave on it, though, it's still pronounced a, but it means to, in, or at. So the accent changes the meaning of the word. And U's are also the other vowel that can have an accent grave. It doesn't affect the pronunciation, though. Okay. Circumflex is, some people call it like a tent or a hat or a carrot, but it's called a circumflex. It can be over all of the vowels, and it usually just means that over the evolution of a language, because languages evolve over time and have changes, it means that we've dropped an S after that letter. For example, the word hotel for hotel used to be hostel, Hostel. Okay, so when they dropped the S out of it, they put a circumflex over the O in order to signify that change over time. A tréma is a double dot over a vowel. It usually only occurs over an I, and it just means to say the I separately from the previous vowel, such as the word, in English we say naive, but we've taken that word from a French word, and it's pronounced na-eve, naive. Okay? And a cedilla is a little mark under the C, and it means to pronounce that C like an S. So that's called a soft C, such as in the word français. Français. The C has a cedilla in it. Okay, I hope that helps a little. Merci beaucoup.